For 30 years, the Community Music School has provided all things music education for all people, old and young, for the Jackson community.
My hope for students is that they get to build a skill that they can share with others, that they can enjoy for themselves for the rest of their lives.
It's not only music that you're teaching, it's the whole process of learning. Especially for young people, it really changes how their minds and how their brain may activate and develop.
There are all kinds of scientifically proven benefits, as far as thinking and logic and mathematics and all of those brain functions that studying music and practicing do definitely enhance.
Playing an instrument is helping my brain stay active. It's giving me a lot of confidence in learning things that I didn't know that I could do.
One thing I love about being a teacher here is just that moment of joy that I see in my student when they discover they can do something new.
My teachers here were high level. I hope that I will be able to invest in my students as much as my teachers here in CMS did. They believed I could do big things, and they were willing to help me get there.
I can tell I've had a good lesson, or students had a good lesson, because when I tell them it's time to pack up, they go, "It's over?"
They're very nice, and they're patient with me, and they let me take my time in learning stuff.
They try to help you understand and not just be like, "So you need to fix this and I'll dump you off here." They're like, "Here is how you do it, and does that make sense?"
When you can see the light bulb go off and you can see the smile, that's definitely the favorite moment. And you can hear it in their playing too.
Playing at school with other people, sometimes I get kind of anxious. At the CMS, I learn more.
It's scary if you haven't touched an instrument in a long time, or if you've never touched an instrument, to come into a group of people, but I would say come try it. It's a really nice mix of folks who have different perspectives on the world in general, but then also different experience playing music.
I think my youngest right now is probably around 6 or 7, and my oldest is close to 80.
I had the opportunity to teach with Mr. Matthias, who was my first teacher, and help him bring up young people who were my age when I started.
One of the things I'm most proud of is the fact that our community music school doesn't turn away any student because of educational or economic situations.
We're bringing music to the community. We are helping them grow and really just helping the world be a better place.
Her name is Marie Favreau, and she is my favorite teacher ever.
My hopes are that we will be able to reach more people here in the community, more children, more adults, and just extend our reach.
See how much fun we have together, and you will be convinced that you can learn to play a stringed instrument too. I think you'll be hooked after the first class.
Have fun.